Good morning student, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine with family. So student, in last video we are learned describing words, okay? Describing words, understand this? Yes, look at the board, okay? So describing words are described a person, animals, things, place, okay? Yeah, describing words describe nouns and naming words, okay? So today's filling the blanks and look at the board, draw many pictures and words and identity, okay? Identify these pictures and describe the word about sun. Understand this? So filling the blanks. So first is sun. Sun, which type sun? Sun is yellow, okay? And sun is hot. Sun is hot. Okay beta. So describe the sun. Hot. Hot. है ना, sun give us rays. And this picture is girl. So describing word says, you think so girl, cute. Cute girl. Okay, so cute word is describing words in girl. Okay, cute, beautiful. Okay, like this. So their right is cute. And next is ice cream. So imagine it, you things in ice cream, you eat ice cream. So which type ice cream is feel? You eat after cold, yeah, hot. So cold. You eat ice cream, cold ice cream. Which type ice cream? Cold ice cream. Okay, and this is flower, है ना, with rose. Flower, rose. So imagine it, rose is red. Red rose. Okay, and cat. So firstly imagine in cat and you thought in colors. Cat is black. Black. Okay, small cat या black cat, है ना. So black and small words describing words and cat is naming word. Understand? And this day and pictures, which type day? Hot day, sunny day and rainy day. So there is rainy day. Understand? Sun, girls, ice cream, rose, cat and day. These are naming words, means noun. Understand? And hot, cute, cold, red, black and rainy. These are describing word. Understand? Yes, I am repeat again. Sun, girl, ice cream, rose, cat, day. These are naming words. Naming words means noun. And hot, cute, cold, red, black and rainy, these are describing word. Okay, and next is clothes, dog, mango, tree, pencil, pillow. These are naming words. Understand? And so we are right there describing word about clothes. Clothes, clean, dirty, okay, and new. Clean, dirty, new. So these are describing word. So we are there, right? Clean. Which type clothes? Clean clothes. Okay. And duck. Duck. White duck. Duck word is naming words and white is describing word. Mango. Mango. Okay. Mango is juicy, sweet, okay, yellow. So these are describing word, okay, and but this word is noun, yeah, naming words. So sweet, sweet mango, okay. Tree, tree, big tree, small tree, yeah, green tree, okay. So these are describing word, but tree is naming word, okay. So there write small tree. Small, okay. So small is describing word and tree is noun. Yeah, naming words. Okay. Pencil. Which type pencil? Long pencil, short pencil. Okay. New pencil. So they are right. Long pencil. Okay. As you wish. You are right there. Long pencil, small pencil. Yeah. New pencil. But there big pencil also right. है ना? So big, long, short and new. These are words is describing word. And pencil is naming word. Understand? And this pillow. Pillow. Okay. So pillow, soft pillow, hard pillow, heavy pillow, light pillow. So they are right. You use only soft pillow. है ना? Soft pillow. Soft pillow. Understand? Naming words: sun, girl, ice cream, rose, cat, day. Understand? These are naming words. And hot, cute, cold, red, black, rainy. These are describing words. Okay. So read again. Hot sun. Hot sun. Cute girl. Cold ice cream. Red rose. Black cat. Rainy day. Clean clothes. White duck. Sweet mango. Small tree. Long pencil and soft pillow. Okay. And you are right also there. Hot sun. Okay. है ना? Hot sun या yellow sun. So yellow there is word describing word and this is word is naming word. Cute girl, beautiful girl. Okay, both are right. Cold ice cream. Okay. Yeah, sweet ice cream. Both are right. Red rose, white rose, pink rose. है ना? Many colors has rose. So red rose, white rose and pink rose. है ना? So these are describing word and this is naming words. Understand? Black cat, small cat. Okay. या brown cat. तो मैंने black, brown. Okay. Black and brown are describing word and cat is naming words. Yeah, means noun. And rainy day. Okay. Rainy words is describing word and day is naming words. Clothes, clean, look, clean and dirty and new and old also है ना? Clean, dirty, new, old and tear. So these are describing words. Okay. These are describing words. And clothes naming words. So they are right clean and they are right dirty clothes, new clothes, old clothes and tear clothes. Okay. So these words is describing word. Many words has है ना? Clean clothes, dirty clothes, new clothes, old clothes and tear clothes. है ना? So we always wear in clean clothes. We always wear in clean cloth. है ना? Next is duck. Duck. White duck. White duck and you are right there. Small duck. है ना? Both are right. Mango. Yellow mango. Ripe mango. Okay. And sweet mango and juicy mango. Many words has there but they are right sweet. So sweet, yellow, ripe, juicy. These are word is describing word and mango is naming words. Understand? Tree, small tree, big tree. Okay. Green tree. Understand? So small, green and big words are describing word and tree is naming word. Understand? Next is pencil. Pencil is naming word and long is describing word. Long pencil, short pencil and new pencil. Long, short, new. These are words describing word about pencil. Understand? And pencil is naming words and this word is describing word. And pillow. न्यू पिलो, ओके, सॉफ्ट पिलो, हार्ड पिलो, है ना, हैवी पिलो या लाइट पिलो, सॉफ्ट, हैवी, हार्ड, light, these are words describing word about pillow, okay, and pillow words is naming word, understand. So today's topic filling the blanks and describing words. In last chapter we are going to learn describing word about things, okay, like this hair, hair is black, hair noun and black is describing words, okay, mango, mango is naming words, and yellow, yellow is color. So we are describing word tell about size, shape, color, है ना, and how many also, understand. So in last video you are understand this describing words, and today's filling the blanks. So look pictures and write their words and describe the word. Clothes, clean clothes, new clothes, okay, white duck, small duck, sweet mango, ripe mango, yellow mango and juicy mango, okay, all over is correct. And small tree, big tree and green tree, small, big, green, these are words describing words, and tree is naming words, understand. Pencil, long, short, new, these are words describing word about pencil, pencil is naming words. And soft pillow, hard pillow, new pillow, okay. So soft pillow is naming word and soft is describing word, okay, understand. So you are understand this describing words describe the noun, person, animals, places and things also, and describing word tell about size, color and shapes, okay, and how many mango, how many boys, understand this, and shape, size also, understand. Like this mango, mango is yellow, so yellow word is describing word, okay. Juicy, juicy word is describing word. Ripe, ripe word is describing word about mango. Tree, okay, tree is naming word, okay, tree is naming word. Like this, look, this is mango, okay, mango naming word, mango naming word, okay. And describing words, describing word yellow and juicy and ripe, okay, and sweet, understand. Yellow, juicy, ripe and sweet. Mango is naming word and describing words yellow, juicy, ripe, sweet. These are correct word. Yeah, these are right, okay, describing word, okay, and mango is naming word, okay, understand this describing words. So today's your work is complete the filling the blanks and understand describing words. So I am one time repeat again, describing words describe the person, animals, things, okay, and places, and describing words tell about how many, shape, size and color also, okay. So understand this describing words. So read and write in your notebook and do work, okay. Thank you.